Here I am going to make an amplifier twist to one. This will be subwoofer and this two are surround. Here I already fixed the transformer. You can see the center tap voltage are here, and I'm going to use these two capacitor. These two capacitor 10,000 mfd 50 volts. Capacitor will be here because I need some space, and diode I am going to use diode. I am going to use this diode. If I use this type of circuit, then I cannot get the place. I need more space. For this case, I am using this capacitor there, and this diode. I am using here positive leg goes to capacitor positive, negative leg goes to capacitor negative. Left corner is positive, right corner is negative. I am going to solder. Now I am soldering. This is the negative leg. This is the negative leg, and this is the positive leg. This is the negative, and middle toward AC voltage. Middle to leg are AC voltage comes from the transformer. This two AC comes from the transformer. Now I am going to show you this two blue. This two blue is this ground is the this gray color wire is the ground voltage, and this two blue is AC voltage. This two AC voltage, and this ground is the this gray color is the ground. Now I am soldering this blue color wire to the to the diode leg. Sorry, this is the AC voltage, and this is also AC. This is 25025 voltage. AC 25025, and DC will be 35035. And the gray color is the ground. Gray color is the ground. Ground should go through the capacitor two leg. Capacitor these two leg will be together. Now I am going to connection this two leg. It will be the ground voltage. It will be ground voltage. I am using this wire here. I am soldering, and here. This is ground wire. This is the ground wire. The gray color is the zero voltage center tap comes from the transformer. It's now I'm connecting this ground voltage to the capacitor leg. Now our voltage is ready for the amplifier. Positive, negative, and ground is ready. Now I am going to check. First I am going to check the DC voltage. Middle is the ground. This is the 33 voltage. This is the 33 voltage. Negative 33, positive 33. Now I am going to check the AC voltage. Ground AC is 25, 25. AC 25, 0, 25. Now I am going to use this is the STK amplifier circuit board. I am using this board for the surround speaker. This circuit can make 50 watt, 050 watt, and this one for the subwoofer. This is for the subwoofer. This 4 transistor. This 4 transistor can make 200 watt for the subwoofer output, and the STK should make 50 for the surround output. And I want to put, I need the place, nice place to put. Okay, like this can be used. This is the base tone circuit for the surround speaker, left and right. Base tone works for the surround. Okay, I am going to use this subwoofer amplifier like this way. It should be helpful for the connection if I use like this way. Yes, okay, I will use here and here. Okay, I can get some place. I can get some place. Okay, I already fix like this way. I already fix using the screw from the downside. Now I am going to connect on the voltage wire. First I am connecting both circuit ground together. Both circuit ground together. You can see this STK amplifier ground and the transistor amplifier ground should be together. Okay, this is the ground voltage. Okay, here also connecting the ground, transistor ground and STK ground should be together. For this case I am here connecting this wire with between two circuits. Okay, now need the positive and negative voltage and ground voltage. I am going to use the red wire for the positive voltage. One wire for transistor circuit board and another one for sticker circuit board. For this case I am using two wire for two circuit. This is the positive voltage. This is the positive voltage. Okay, I am using positive voltage here for the sticker circuit with a small wire. This is the sticker circuit. This is the positive voltage, and now I am going to connect the transistor positive voltage. This is the positive voltage for the transistor circuit board. This is the positive voltage for the transistor circuit board. Now need the negative voltage. Same way I am using two wire for the negative voltage. One wire should go to transistor board, another wire should go to stick board. Okay, I am using two wire. This is the negative voltage. This is the negative voltage. This is the negative voltage comes from the capacitor. I will take the wire like this way. Okay, here I need to cut for the negative voltage. I need to connect the transistor circuit board, the negative wire. This wire should go to transistor sticker circuit board. This is the negative connector. This is the negative connector are here. Positive, negative and ground need to connect. First I connect the negative, positive and negative. Later I will connect the ground voltage. This is the negative voltage for the transistor circuit board. This is the negative voltage. Now need the ground voltage for transistor and sticker circuit board. I'm using this wire. I need one wire for the ground voltage. I use a good quality wire for the ground voltage. Ground voltage comes here. Anywhere I can connect the ground voltage, no problem. Okay. This wire for ground. I'm connecting here. Okay. Now voltage connection ready for the amplifier circuit. Both circuit connection ready. Now I am going to connect the speaker. I am going to check first. I am going to check the voltage first. Okay. This is the ground and this is positive. This is the ground. Positive is 32 volts. 32 volt. I am using series line now. For this case, voltage is a little bit lower because it's direct 35. Direct voltage 35. I am not using series now. Not using. In series mode 32 volts and without series mode 35 volts. Now I am going to connect the speaker output. This is the speaker output for the subwoofer. This is the subwoofer speaker output. Always use a good quality wire. Okay, is the subwoofer speaker output. Now the surround left and right channel. I'm using this yellow wire for the speaker output for surround. This is the left speaker. This is the right speaker. Please connect solder nicely. Need to clear there first. Okay, this two wire for two speaker. Two wire for two speaker. This is speaker output wire for the surround speaker. I need to cut. Now I'm going to solder the speaker output. I'm soldering here because this is the speaker output for the surround voltage, surround speaker. This STK amplifier can make maximum 70 watts, 70, but in 25 voltage it can make 50 watt. DC 35 voltage can make maximum 50 watt. A maximum 50 watt can make using this voltage. If 40 voltage plus, then it can make 70 watt. Now I am connecting the ground voltage for the subwoofer speaker. Ground voltage for the subwoofer speaker. So this is the ground for the subwoofer. The ground voltage should go direct. Now for the surround. Now for the surround left speaker. This amplifier owner has three sound box made by Sony. Original one. Subwoofer is 10 inch and surround is 7 inch, like that. 7.5. Always solder nicely. This is the ground for the left side speaker. This ground for the right side speaker. Okay. Now voltage and output connection ready. Now need to connect the input only. Connect the input only. This is the speaker. I'm going to check the circuit first. This is the subwoofer output. Before connecting the input, I'm going to check it's okay or not. Okay, I switch on. The subwoofer circuit is working well. Subwoofer circuit, subwoofer amplifier part working well. Okay. Now need to check the surround. And the surround also left side working well. Right side also working well. That means amp part is fully okay. Now need to connect only the input. The surround input should go to from the breadboard circuit. This is the output goes to amplifier input. This output goes to here input, and this is the voltage. 12 voltage comes from the transformer. I'll make here 1 voltage for this board. This is the input. Input comes from the Bluetooth circuit. Input will comes from the Bluetooth circuit. Okay, I already connect. I connect. This is the voltage I make. 12 voltage for this board, and output goes to amplifier input, and input comes from the Bluetooth card, and this is the 5 voltage regulator IC for the Bluetooth card. Now need to connect